Measure 24 to 29 volts alternating current between R and C to confirm the transformer and power delivery are functioning correctly. When testing the transformer output, use a true root mean square multimeter set to the alternating current range and place the black lead on C and the red lead on R. A steady reading between 24 and 29 volts alternating current indicates proper primary-secondary coupling and regulator headroom. If the system uses a separate common screw labeled C that is part of the furnace control board, verify continuity between that screw and the transformer's secondary common to ensure there is no open connection causing a false 0-volt reading. Under-load testing can reveal marginal transformers that read high, no load. Simulate thermostat demand by momentarily shorting R to W through a resistor or use a known working controller to draw current and confirm voltage remains within the specified range. When measuring, avoid using the low voltage terminals while the system is being powered by any auxiliary sources such as battery backups or electronic adapters that could skew the alternating current measurement. If the system has multiple transformers or an add-on air handler with its own transformer, isolate each secondary and label wires to prevent backfeeding and inaccurate voltage readings. Always follow safety practices. Disconnect power when making wiring changes, secure loose conductors, and if uncertain about high voltage components or the control board, consult a licensed heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician. 3 common issues are a 0-volt reading caused by a blown transformer fuse or open secondary winding, which is resolved by replacing the transformer or its fuse after verifying primary voltage, a steady reading below 24 volts alternating current due to an overloaded or failing transformer, which is solved by reducing connected load or installing a higher capacity transformer with appropriate secondary voltage and amperage ratings, and misleading readings from parallel electronics or backfed circuits when multiple transformers are present, which is corrected by isolating each transformer secondary, using diode isolation or a single centralized transformer to prevent circulating currents and ensure accurate measurements. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors with ratings and project examples that make selecting a qualified technician for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning work faster and safer. The site helps contractors generate leads and showcase verified reviews so trusted professionals get matched to appropriate jobs.